The best thing about housing at WyoTech is obviously the proximity. You're within a 2-minute walk from class, so it's easy, it's convenient. There's no excuse. You're in the class every day, on time, ready to roll. You're living next to students who share the same interests, the same goals. So you have a great support system right there with people that are here for the same things that you are.
The students have lots of amenities. Pool tables, foosball tables in every building. They have laundry rooms on every floor. Basketball court with barbecue grills outside. We also have a lot of events in-house and on campus. They have video games, they have access to Netflix, Hulu, all that stuff right here.
Being a student here, you do get a free pass to the rec center, which does have free weights. It has 3 swimming pools, it has a hot tub, it has a sauna. Rec center offers sports for all the students to play. We have a ton of outdoor activities here in Laramie, Wyoming. There's 4 mountain ranges around us. There's plenty of fishing and lakes, rivers, skiing, snowboarding. Snowmobiles are a big thing here. Hiking, mountain biking, I'd love to get you out and doing any of that stuff.
We have basically 2 main styles of housing. So it's either 4 smaller bedrooms or 2 really big bedrooms. They're pretty similar as far as the square footage goes. They have a full-size living room, they have a full-size kitchen, they have 2 bathrooms. The main difference is whether a student shares a bedroom or whether they have their own private bedroom. All the major furnishing and appliances are already provided, so you don't need to worry about packing those up. We've upgraded to some very cool laundry facilities, so it can be operated either with a credit card or if you have a smartphone, there's an app. You can look at your phone before you even leave your dorm room and see how many washers and dryers are available. Once you start to load with that smart app, it'll tell you when your washer's done, so you know to go change it from the washer down to the dryer. So you've got that reminder, and again, just the convenience of knowing before you even leave your apartment, is there a washer or dryer available? Our leases are customized to each student's individual training. We can add on to their lease specific to them. Even if one of your roommates goes home, you don't have to worry about your rent going up by 25%. It's easy, it's customized, it's to you. You pay the same amount every month no matter what. All the utilities are included, so there's no surprises at the end of the month. So we do offer Wi-Fi in every apartment. It's part of your utilities included, so you don't have to worry about getting that hooked up. It's provided for you, ready to roll. You're here for a reason. You're here for 9 months. You're in, out, and into the industry, hopefully working very quickly. And so we have that structure in place to hopefully help you be successful and get out into the community, but also while you're here, be that good neighbor.